right there, whatever it is.
Look at that one, look at it on the right,
That's a good one. Ew, look at the fish, its body. Ew, did you see that? Damn, that was disgusting. It was still alive. What'd you say? That was awesome? I know. This one's a good one. Got a fish right there. Turtles are so carnivorous. Ew, it's going poo-poo. Ew, yeah, I just videotaped it taking a dump-a-rama. What is, uh-oh.
Fish.
How the hell did it get up there?
Oh!
Jeez.
Get away. It's starving. Oh, there you got another one. Look at, look at.
Oh my gosh.
He's pissed. How long have you recorded?
20 minutes almost, I think. I don't know.
Oh, look at on the left.
Everyone's pitching in, even
Ew.
just by driving smarter routes and making sure our trailers are packed fuller. We save
We got 15 fish and there's only what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got big ones, didn't we last time?
This one was medium. I've gotten a large one before. He ate the large one.
I wonder what they would do if they got bigger fish.
They ate them.
For bigger fish.
Oh, big? It wasn't that big.